Get into this set, girls. Get into the set. If you want to know how to get your press-ons to last for 2 weeks without popping off, keep watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing well and I hope you are as well. So today's video is going to be about how I apply my press-ons for maximum adhesion. Okay, so first off, if you've ordered a package from me or if you've ever planned on ordering a set from me in the future, this is how they will come. You get a KDS glue. This is the top of the line glue. I love this glue, the very best. You get a file, coarse side and fine side. You get an alcohol pad and you get a set of 10. There's one missing, so don't worry about that. This is my second time or third time applying these. You reuse these several times. You also get a sticky tab, and this is for if you want to pop them off that same day and you don't want to prime off with the glue. If you have an event, you know, pop them on, pop them off. You get a card. I do punch one hole, and you want to hold on to this. You get $5 off your fourth set. So hold on to those cards. You also get, you know, a cuticle pusher. This is good for pushing back those cuticles and cleaning out those nails, and also a treat. Okay, so let's get started. First, you want to grab your alcohol pad. This is used to clean off any debris, any oil. You're going to clean your nail beds really well. You want to get in there, make sure you get in there and get all the dust, all the dirt, all the oils, or anything off of those nails before you get ready to file. You're going to take your cuticle pusher. You're going to push back those cuticles. Be careful to be gentle here. You don't want to hurt yourself. You don't want to use a lot of force. All you're doing is trying to get that cuticle area pushed back. And you want to try to push back any dead or dry skin that you have there, because what you're going to do is you're going to file away. So you're going to do that to each nail, being sure to get up in the cuticle area. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to go in with your file. You're going to use the coarse side, which is the blue side. You're going to file. And all you're doing really is just removing the shine. You're not, you know, doing any shaping or filing or anything. You're just removing that top layer of shine. You want to get that surface buffed out. And then be careful to pay close attention to that cuticle area. There's like a thin layer of skin right up in that area. You want to really get up in there with that file, because that is what's going to cause your nails to pop off if it is left behind. So pay very close attention to that area. Okay, so now for all my professional or advanced nail wearers, some of you may have a drill. You're going to use your sanding band for this part. If you don't have a drill, that's perfectly fine. We're basically doing the same exact thing, but we're doing it with our e-files. So everything we're doing here, you can do it with your hand file if you don't have a e-file. So basically we're going around that cuticle area and we're just removing that top layer of shine. Okay, you're going to repeat those steps for all 10 fingers. You go around the cuticle area just like so, and then you just remove the shine. And when you are done, this is how they should look. You want to remove the dust, remove all your dust, and then you're going to hit it again with the alcohol wipe, and this is going to act as a dehydrator. And just dry that nail off. You want to make sure you're working on dry, clean nails. So don't, you know, get your nails back dirty or oily or anything, or be touching on your hair or anything, because that's going to cause oil, which is going to lead to lifting. So You're going to take your sizes. You're going to do your sizes. So if you're doing a custom set that has 10, then they should already be in order. And I'm just going to lay mine out so that it's convenient for me and I don't have to, pull them off the sheet. So some of them come with extra nails. Some of them just come with 10. You might have a set of 15, 20, 16, whatever customized order that you have. So I'm just going in, making sure that they all fit perfectly. And I'm just going to lay them out. Just make it easier for me. I'm going to set those aside. And like I said, they come with the option of sticky tabs or glue. I prefer the glue, but sticky tabs are good if you're going to wear them the same day and pop them off. This is a perfect alternative. Okay, so first you would need to etch the inside of the nail. Just like we did, we removed the shine off of our nails. We need to do the same to the inside of the nails. And I'm telling you, this is the secret to get them to last 2 to 3, 3.5, possibly 4 weeks. I'm telling you, you do not want to skip this step. It may be difficult to get that file in there, but get it as best as you can, and you need to do that to each nail. And don't mind mine. Like I said, I've worn these 2 or 3 times, so mine are a little worn, but definitely get inside and rough up that surface. That rough texture is going to help it to adhere. And if you have a hand file, you could do the same. Of course, your hand file will be on. This is just for demonstration purposes. If you don't have a file, that's perfectly fine. Use your hand file. It does the exact same thing. And after you're done, you're going to take your brush and just remove all the dust. Make sure you're getting all the dust out. Give it a quick wipe. Okay, so first what we're going to do is remove the cap and cut off the tip. I already have one, so I'm just going to use my old one. We already have them lined up and in order. We're going to start with our thumbs. A little bit of glue. You really want to make sure that you start at the cuticle and then press from the cuticle down. Get a glue. You repeat the same process. Get your glue. Start from that cuticle and then press down. Here's a closer look. Start from the cuticle, press down, hold it for about 30 seconds. Then you just continue that step. You don't need a lot of glue because it will overflow and then just make a big mess. Like I said, cuticle down. Here's just a demonstration. You really want to avoid doing it any other way because you're going to get glue at your cuticle area and that's going to make it look messy. So start at that cuticle area, get it lined up, start at the cuticle, then press down. And here's another look. Start at that cuticle and press down. Here's the final look. They look so natural, so cute. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.